here getting ready to pull up the 62 Galaxie convertible, and the starter went out. Well, I had to order one, got it on the way, finally arrived. So I sat over here and I got the bolts out, and I realized, well, this one's actually a little harder than normal. It's way down there, which I've already got the bottom 2 bolts out, but it actually has 3, which I think's a little overbuilt, but and I think once I get it out, I'm gonna have a gear attached to it. So I'm out here trying to figure it out, trying to get it installed. And I'll keep updating this video. Check out where that bolt is. Don't give me no room really. Can't get a wrench down in there. I mean a socket. I'm having to do it with a wrench. I got the bottom 2 out. Just give me a little bit and I'll have her running. Well, I got her out. Now I just gotta take all that off, put it on here, and get her back in the car. Piece of cake, right? Having to do some stuff to one of these aftermarket starters. The pin is a little too small. Well, the hole for it was. This pin here holds all this assembly on. And the factory pin was a little too big. They didn't give us another one, so. Got it back on. That's the new starter. The old starter. Take it back. Pull charge for it. About to put her in. Got the starter back in. I brought the jump backs out. The battery's a little low. Well, I've had the jump box on there for a second. It was low. We're gonna see moment of truth if I did this right. Oh, it's not in park. Oh, she works. Heck yeah. Man, I was dreading having to take that thing back off. It's all done now though. Charge the battery up. I think we ran the battery down trying to start it with the old starter. This one seems strong, everything's good. On to the next one.